Hey guys, welcome to my bedroom makeover. The very first thing that we had to do in order to get Olivia's room makeover, her room refresh done, was the decision to take out all of her baby toys.
Like all of my kitchen set.
And all of the cradles and doll houses and Barbies and Barbie clothes, you name it, and we were taking it to our storage. You guys have been very good friends to Olivia. Thank you. When we did Olivia's photo shoot, we got those dwarfs for a very expensive price on eBay. They were worth every penny. If you guys want to see the video with all of these pictures, you should click the link in the description. Oh, look at that beauty. I actually think you can still buy these, and if you want a dollhouse or like a kitchen set that you can keep forever, and when I tell you these have been beaten and they still look incredible, like how come they don't paint my kitchen cabinets the way they've painted these? These have held up better than my kitchen cabinets, and that's not even a joke. I'll link them in the description for you. Hold on. Hey!
Oh my golly.
No spiders! How am I supposed to get rid of these? I mean, she made these all on her own. I'm not going to get rid of them. They're gonna stay on her new desk. I'm never gonna get rid of those things.
No, we're never getting rid of them.
Baby Olivia was the most precious, and I genuinely mean precious, time of my life when it was just me and Olivia at home. She was my everything. She was my world. For 2 solid years, it was just me and her, and I swear those toys were more mine than they were. I'm like, oh, you need these. You need these. So it was not an easy thing getting rid of the baby toys. But we are moving on to a whole nother stage of life, aren't we?
Yes.
She has a whole different range of interests now. Let's talk about the wallpaper first. The wallpaper is the brand Wall Blush, and I found it through my sister Julie. She had on her walls in an apartment. It looked really great on the walls, and when she took it and peeled it off the walls when she moved, the walls were in perfect condition, and so I thought, all right, I can do this. We're gonna do this too. If you are looking for any wall treatments, this is a really good option. They have lots of different options for you to choose from, and I just thought this one was the most beautiful. I loved it so much.
It's really cute.
It is very common to accidentally do something like this and not have it line up. However, something that I think is really cool about this brand, I just need to peel off this one little section and they will actually send me a replacement piece. So if you mess up, they will send you just a replacement piece so that you can fix little things like this. Next up, I wanted to put a rug under Olivia's desk area where I knew it was going to go, just to kind of separate the area, make it feel cozy. I thought this one was super beautiful, and I am super impressed. Whenever I get these rugs, these are boutique rugs, when they come, I always expect the edges to have a hard time rolling down, like laying flat, but they don't. They just lay down and they look so nice right off the bat, and they're always super, super good quality. I can't handle a rug that sheds, and that's one thing that I've noticed that does not happen. I've had 2 of their rugs before, and I really like this brand.
And they're really cute colors too.
Yeah. Next up, I want to talk about Olivia's desk. I knew she needed a desk, and I knew she needed not a small one. So we went with a big desk because she has a sewing machine and she does tons of arts and crafts, which I found a million as we were cleaning out your room. And I did not add a whole bunch of stuff to the space here. I wanted her room to feel a little more empty going into it because I want you to fill it with things that you like, and I want you to kind of put things where you want them. I set the basics up for you, and now the rest is up to you, and you can kind of make it your own. First up, I want to talk about this sit stand feature, and all I could think about were all of the people working from home right now, and this was a super cool option in my opinion. I thought it was a really great way for people to either sit at an exercise bike, bounce on a ball, stand, do whatever. You have all the different options because there is a height adjustable feature. All right, Joel just plugged this bad boy in. Joel, that's awesome.
It's incredible.
I will absolutely link this Flexispot desk in the description. You can click the exclusive referral link in the description and it gives you $15 off your order of $150 or more. I genuinely think that it looks so cute in here. She's going to love it. I can't wait. I'm so excited for you.
So much.
Next up, we have the bedding, and the very first thing that I'm going to recommend with any bedding is that you use a mattress cover so that your mattress stays protected, and that's like my #1 thing. So mattress cover, and then this bedding. I do have a discount code for Betties. They're on every one of my kids' beds. I will have that in the description for you guys. The base sheet and the top sheet are zipped together with a zipper. And coming from an industry where I have to manufacture things with zippers sometimes, believe me, the quality of the zipper is really, really important, and these last years. Every single one of the kids' beds have these in my house. And Olivia is a very hot sleeper. All my other kids have this top sheet, this inner top sheet, as like a minky dot material. And Olivia just gets way too hot, and so we went with their option of just having like a cloth top sheet. There's cotton in between, so it's still super comfy, but it just folds up just like that, and you can keep it zipped super easy. And it just makes the kids' rooms look like I cleaned them up when really the kids cleaned them up. For Olivia's birthday, we got her this fuzzy pink pillow, which I thought goes really great with her bed. She's had the light for a while. The chair also came from Olivia's birthday. And lastly, we have her Minky Couture blanket that she got for Christmas. I do have a discount code for Minky as well. Every single one of my kids has one in their bedrooms. I even have one on my bed, so you'll definitely want to check those out.
They're super soft.
They are super soft. That is it for our kind of room makeover. We didn't add in a whole lot. I mean, the highlight was her flexi desk, but other than that, it was pretty simple. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.